Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for class 1, subject is English. Dear students, today we will study unit 2, lesson 4, sentences. Okay, in the last video we studied about monster. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started our lesson. This question is about monster. Okay, first we read this instruction. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. You read. Look at the picture. You read after me. Look at the picture. Answer the questions using the words in the box. Answer the questions using the words in the box. Okay, now there are some words are given, you can see. Now first we read all these words: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again read 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now where is the picture? This is the picture. Okay, this is the picture of monster. Okay, and where are the words? They are the words. Okay, and where are the questions? See the next page. Yes, the one has been done for you. How many wings does it have? Where are the wings? They are the wings in white color. Okay, they are the wings. This is the tail of monster. They are the legs of monsters. Okay, mouth of monster. They are the eyes of monsters, and they are the teeth of monsters. Okay, now count. How many wings? 1 2 3 4. There are 4 wings. Okay, there are 4 wings of monster. And how many tails? Only one tail. And how many legs? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 legs. Okay, and how many eyes? 1 2 3. Okay, there are 3 eyes. And yes, look at this, they are ears of the monsters. Okay, they are the ears of monster. 1 2, there are 2 ears. Okay, and how many teeth? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 teeth. Okay, now how many wings does it have? Yes, how many wings does a monster have? It has 4 wings. How many wings? 4 wings. Now you have to answer all these questions. How many legs does it have? How many legs? I have told you. Yes, you are right, 8 legs. How many legs? 8 legs. It has 8 legs. What will you write here? It has 8 legs. How many legs does it have? It has 8 legs, like this. It has 8 legs. Yeah, this is the answer of this question. It has 8 legs. Now comes to next question. How many tails does it have? Only one. It has 1 tail. How many tails? 1 tail. Repeat after me. How many tails does it have? It has 1 tail, like this. It has 1 tail. A monster has 1 tail. Now next question. How many eyes does it have? We have 2 eyes, but this monster has 3 eyes. 1 2 3. 3 eyes. Okay, it has 3 eyes. Answer of this question is it has 3 eyes. Repeat after me. It has 3 eyes. A monster has 3 eyes. Now write, it has 3 eyes. Yes, it has 3 eyes. Okay, now read this question. What about you? Ask and answer questions using the words eyes, fingers, ears and legs. Okay, now I'm going to ask about you. Yes, not monster, about you. Like this, suppose you have eyes. Okay, you have fingers, you have ears and you have legs. And you know you have 2 eyes. And how many fingers do you have? You have 10 fingers in your hand. In your hands you have 10 fingers. And how many ears do you have? 2 ears. And how many legs do you have? 2 legs. Okay, now I am going to ask about you. Number 1, example. How many eyes do you have? You reply me, hurry up, you answer me, I have 2 eyes. Okay, now I'm going to ask about your fingers. How many fingers do you have? Reply me, hurry up. How many fingers do you have? How many fingers? Show me your finger. Yes, you have 10 fingers. You reply me, I have 10 fingers. I have 10 fingers, like this. I have 10 fingers. Okay, now I'm going to ask about your ears. Okay, how many ears do you have? Reply me, how many ears do you have? You reply me, I have 2 ears. How many ears do you have? I have 2 ears, like this. Okay, how many ears do you have? You reply me, I have 2 ears. Now comes to next question about legs. I'm going to ask about your legs. How many legs do you have? How many legs do you have? Reply me, hurry up. How many legs do you have? I have 2 legs. Okay. Now comes to next question. C question. Make sentences using the words in the table. Yes, this is called table. Okay. And where are the words? They are the words. Okay. And make sentences. You have to make sentences about monster. Okay. Suppose like this. The monster's ears is or are, because it is plural, more than one. One ear, not 2 ears. Okay. The monster's ears. Okay. We use are. The monster's ears are big, small, long, short. Small. Yes, the monster's ears are small. Okay, you can make the sentences easily. Okay, the monster's ears are small. Okay, now second question, the monster mouth. Mouth is singular, not more than one. You use is with mouth. The monster's mouth is, look at mouth. Oh, big mouth. We have small mouth, but a monster has big mouth. So use, make the sentences. The monster's mouth is big. Repeat after me. The monster's mouth is big. Yes. You write like this. The monster's ears are small. Now the monster's mouth is big. Yes. Now comes to next, tail. Yes, the monster's tail. Read the monster's tail. Now first we cancel because we have used. Okay, we have used. Now the monster's tail is singular, not more than one. Okay, it is singular, so we use is. The monster's tail is long tail, very long. Yes, the monster's tail is long. Yes, we choose this word. Okay, the monster's tail, like this. The monster tail is long. Yes. Now make the sentence. The monster's tail is long. Now comes to next. The monster's eyes. First we cancel. Okay. The monster's eyes. Eyes is plural. Okay. Now eyes are big eyes. Yes, big eyes. The monster's eyes are big. Repeat after me. The monster's eyes are big. Yes. Okay, the monster's eyes are big. Now comes to next. Okay, the monster's legs. Yes, short legs. Yes, short. We have long legs, but monster has short legs. You write the monster's legs are short. The monster's legs are short. Okay, the monster's legs are short. Now comes to next. Yes, the monster's nose is singular. The monster nose is small. Yes, this is the nose of monster, very small. Okay, the monster's nose is small. Yes, nose is small. Okay, now the monster's wings, yeah, they are the wings. Okay, wings are short or small. Yeah, you can write short or you can write small. Okay, the monster's wings is plural. The monster's wings are short. Okay, the monster's wings are short. Now comes to next, last, the monster's teeth. Yes, small teeth. Small. The monster's teeth are small. The monster's teeth are small. Okay, now we have done this question. Now here your work has completed. Now I am going to talk to your parents. Okay, guideline for parents. Number 1, for question A, ask the child to look at the pictures and answer the questions using the words in the box. You can add more questions. क्वेश्चन ए में बच्चे से आपने कहना है कि वो पिक्चर को जो है गौर से देखें, फिर वो आप जो उनसे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, उनको वर्ड्स जो मौजूद हैं बॉक्स के अंदर उनकी मदद से उनको आंसर्स देने हैं. जैसे हमने पीछे क्वेश्चंस किए हैं और बना के भी दिखाया आपको, वही क्वेश्चन आपने करने हैं. आप अलबत्ता ये क्वेश्चंस को ऐड कर सकते हैं और एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं और भी चीज़ें. जैसे हाउ मेनी स्पॉट्स डज इट हैव, मास्टर के जो बॉडी में स्पॉट्स लगे हुए हैं तो उस पर आप क्वेश्चन रेज कर सकते हैं. हाउ मेनी स्पॉट्स डज इट हैव, इट हैज 7 स्पॉट्स. हाउ मेनी टीथ डज इट हैव, इट हैज 9 टीथ. हाउ मेनी ears डज इट हैव, इट हैज 2 ears. हाउ मेनी माउथ्स डज इट हैव, इट हैज 1 माउथ. ओके, यू कैन ask these questions. Now number 2, for question B, ask and answer questions using the words eyes, fingers, ears and legs with your child. आप बच्चे से ये जो fingers हैं, ears हैं, legs हैं और eyes से उनसे question कर सकते हैं कि how many eyes do you have, how many fingers do you have, how many ears do you have, how many legs do you have. आप इसमें भी extension कर सकते हैं, how many toes कर सकते हैं, how many hands कर सकते हैं, how many nose कर सकते हैं. तो इसमें भी आप parts of body के लिए how many के साथ क्वेश्चन रेज कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन पूछे और उनसे रिप्लाई लीजिए. हाउ मेनी का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो उनको बहुत अच्छी तरह से क्लियर हो जाएगा. नंबर 3, फॉर क्वेश्चन सी, मेक सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग द वर्ड्स इन द टेबल. जी, हमने जो अभी लास्ट क्वेश्चन डील किया उसमें टेबल के अंदर जो वर्ड्स दिए हुए थे उसमें से हमने आपको सेंटेंसेस बनाकर दिखाए. वैसे ही आपने उनसे सेंटेंसेस पहले ओरली आप उनसे पूछें, देन उनको राइट करवाइए. उसमें भी एक्सटेंशन कर सकते हैं. यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस टू योर चाइल्ड. देखिए आपको ये पिक्चर नजर आ रही है, आप इस तरह के क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. व्हाट कलर आर द मॉन्स्टर्स एयर्स. अब एयर्स के क्या कलर हैं, दे आर ब्लू. एंड व्हाट कलर इज द मॉन्स्टर्स टेल, क्या कलर है टेल का, ग्रीन है, इट इज ग्रीन. व्हाट कलर आर द मॉन्स्टर्स लेग्स, लेग्स के क्या कलर है, ब्लू है, दे आर ब्लू. व्हाट कलर आर द मॉन्स्टर्स विंग्स, दे आर व्हाइट. विंग्स के कलर क्या है, व्हाइट. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस करके आप व्हाट कलर का स्ट्रक्चर भी उनको क्लियर हो सकता है. अब आर भी बताएं उसको, क्योंकि मॉन्स्टर एयर्स हैं, प्लूरल फॉर्म है तो आर लगाया हमने. टेल सिंगुलर है तो हमने इज लगाया. लेग्स और विंग्स दोनों प्लूरल हैं तो हमने आर लगाया. इज और आर को भी क्लियर कीजिए. जज़ाकल्लाह. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.